Two-factor authentication not working on Spaceship Invest Fix. If you can't log into your Spaceship Invest account because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't panic. This issue is more common than you think. Most users believe the app is malfunctioning, but the surprising truth is that the problem usually comes down to timing updates or network delays. Let's start with the basics. Two-factor authentication, or FA, relies on precise time synchronization between your phone and Spaceship servers. If your phone's clock is even a few seconds off, your login code won't work. Go into your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and restart your device. If you're using an authenticator app, open it and tap time correction for codes, then sync now. Next, check for updates. Outdated versions of the Spaceship Invest app or your authenticator app can easily cause code errors. Open your app store, install all pending updates, and try again. If you're using SIMS verification and not receiving codes, toggle airplane mode or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes, the issue is simply a delayed network message. If you've changed phones recently or reinstalled your authenticator app, you'll need to reset FA. On the Spaceship login screen, tap Can't Access FA and follow the recovery steps. After verifying your identity, you can re-enable authentication on your new device. Here's something most people forget: save your recovery code securely. These are your backup keys to regain access if your phone ever gets lost or wiped. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Spaceship Invest, take a deep breath, sync your time, update your apps, and refresh your connection. In just a few minutes, you'll be back in your account, investing confidently and securely.